Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the watch so Backtrack can record a safe route. First, update Watch OS and enable location and motion permissions, otherwise Backtrack won't run correctly. Once done, open Settings, go to Compass and turn Backtrack on. You'll also want to confirm wrist detection and compass calibration. These make recorded headings accurate. Now tap the Compass app, wait for a GPS lock, and you're ready to begin recording your outbound path with the first actionable step. Start moving. Once Backtrack is active, you'll record a breadcrumb trail automatically as you move. Start in the Compass app and tap Backtrack. The watch begins saving GPS points and headings. While you walk, glance at distance and direction indicators to confirm the route. The map-style breadcrumb shows where you've been. If you stop or change plans, pause recording from the compass or control center and later resume. This preserves segments. Make sure battery level is sufficient because continuous GPS use. To return, open the compass and choose the recorded Backtrack, then tap Follow. The watch guides you step by step back along saved breadcrumbs. When you're home, stop recording and delete that Backtrack if you don't need it, freeing storage and reducing background location use. If Backtrack fails or shows a blank trail, make sure you had GPS lock. Move to Open Sky, toggle location services off/on, and restart the watch. This simple reset usually restores accurate tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.